Alright. Fish number one. Not too bad. Get my pliers out. Forgot them again. Are they in there? They're in here. Yep. Pretty good fish here. Alright, mag draft again. Let's see what he's pushing. I think he's over 3. Maybe 3.5. I guess. Oh, 315. See you, buddy. There you go. Alright. Alright, fish number 2. Let's go. See you, buddy. See, if I'd have had that daggum camera back there, would have messed up. Oh. Fish number 3. Oh, man, that was a terrible landing, but fish number 3, probably about 1.5 pounds, maybe 2. Oh. Probably just 2, it ain't heavy, actually. Alright. Alright, buddy. See you. Fish 4, I think. Alright, buddy. Thank you. See you, buddy. Alright, that's fish number 5 or 6. Alright, see you, buddy. Whew. Man, them jokers are ready to go. Alright, come here. Dang, boy, they swallowed that daggone thing. Luckily, we didn't. I don't think it's just the back of your tongue, so you'll be alright. Be careful. There we go, we got it out. Alright, piece number 6 or 7. Lost count. Seven or 8. See ya. Came to the top. There one should be one in there. Alright, there's one more. I'm out of here. I don't even know what number that is, but yeah, I just knew there should be some there. Whew, it's cold out here. Ready to go. There we go, buddy. Dang, what'd you do? Okay, there you go. Look at that sucker. He ain't too big, but hey. Woo, he's gone. He's gone. He gone. Let's see. One more fish. One more fish. Guess what? The mag draft finally gave out. Look at this thing here. The hook came all the way out of it. I don't know how many fish I caught on this thing, but there's a lot. But I think it might be done. Let's see here. I think you can buy just the bodies for this thing, but dang. Go. That's the last one. That was a good one too. It was a really good one. Oh man, come here. Come here, you 4-pounder. Yo! Man. That sucker. Oh yeah, got it on tape. Look how he choked that sucker. Wow. That old mag draft works, man. Look at the size of that sucker. Let's go. I'm going home now. Thank you. Thank you, fish. Thank you, fish. I'll fish my way back to my truck, but I'm out of here. Thank you, buddy. Ooh, at the Airbnb. You see that? That's it. Right over there. Yep. St. Blanchard. Anybody interested, man, just message me. Hey. Thank you, buddy. Hey, I want to weigh him. Let me just do that. I think he's 4 something. Oh, man, what a way to end. Oh, gosh. Yeah, that's what I thought. 413. See if I do it again. Oh yeah, 5 pounds. That's what I thought, man. Woo, fiver. Yes. Let's go. Thank you, buddy. Let's go. Let's watch him dive in. Ready? Yeah. Gone. That's what I'm talking about. It's cold, but hell yeah. Oh yeah, another one. Ooh, another nice one too. Get in here. Bonus fish right there, buddy. Dang it. Oh, I'm gonna have to take him home though. He choked it, got into his gills. Gosh dang it. Let's see, maybe not. Be careful. This one's tore up too. I tore up 2 mag drafts today. Well, one of them was old though. One of them I just bought the other day, but I caught so many fish on it today. I think I can get it loose. I think he'll be alright. Come on. Come on now. What I could do is cut the line. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, I got it. I think it's going to be alright. Oh man, let's cut the line. It's down it. Oh geez, it's bleeding. Come on, let's go. God, dog. Cut the dang string, man. Alright, let's, oh, come on. Did not cut.